stop for this question in video 2, and this is video 3. And this video 3 now, we have gotten our, if you watch video 2, you see how we get to first equation and second equation. So let's now combine the two equations. Combine the two equations. Let's combine the two equations. So the first equation says 6a plus 15d is equals to 6. That's equation 1. The second equation says 18a plus 153d is equals to 72, equation 2. Now, if you look at the equation, there are two giants. So I'll now look at equation 1. Can anything divide through? Of course, 3 can divide through. In order to reduce the equation 1, I just say equation 1 divide through by 3. I just want to, it will remain that equation. 3 divided by this, that will now give me 2 plus this divided by this, 5d, this divided by this is equals to 2. So, it's still that equation 1, it's just that I reduce it. Equation 2 is too big to divide it through by 3. So if I divide this, it's going to give me 6a plus if I divide this one will give me 3 in 15, and that's 5, and 1, which is equal to 3 in 7, that's 2, I think 4. 2, 4. So that's equation 2. You see, I have successfully reduced this thing. So it's simple. This equation can 3, yes, 3 can still divide this one. So meaning that I should have used 6. So I can still divide that equation 2 by what? 3. Of course, it's going to give me 2a plus 3 here, that is 1, 21, 7. So 3 here, that's 8. Equation, it's still that equation 2. So let me still combine them. We have what? We have the equation 1, 2a plus 5d is equals to 2, equation 1. Then 2a plus 17d is equals to 8, equation 2. So I have successfully reduced them to the BRS minimum. So once if any number can divide everything, can divide each of them, it's better to reduce it. So in the course of reduction, I've gotten, you can use the elimination method. I'll say subtract equation 2 or equation 1 or equation 2 from 1. So we are subtracting this from this. So I'll just insert my subtraction, equation 2 from 1. So it will now be 2a minus 2a, that will give me 0. That's what I want to do. I want to eliminate the particular side. So I'll now say 5d minus 17 is going to give me minus 13, 12d, minus 12d. So this is what I'm saying. 5d minus 17d. If they have negative here, it will also reflect. This will now be equal to the 2 equal to 2 minus 8. That will give us minus 6. So now I can divide both sides by this minus 12 in order to get my common difference. So minus 12, minus 12. My difference, minus cancel minus, 6 here, 6 here, 2. That's half. So my difference is half because they ask us to look for common difference. Of course, if they still ask us to look for first term, it's nothing bad. We could look for first term. According to the question, now ask us to look for it, but we could look for it. So I'll just substitute to look for first term, say substitute d is equals to half in equation, I'll take the simpler equation, equation 1. So that will be 2a plus 5d is equals to 2. So 2a, I'm looking for a. 2a plus 5, my d is half, is equals to 2. So if I multiply this now, 2a plus, this one will be over 1. 5 times 1, that's 5 over 2, which is equals to 2. So I collect the like time, let this one go here. So 2a is equals to 2 minus 5 over 2. This one will be over 1. So I can subtract it by having LCM to be 2. 2 into, my 1 into 2. 2 times this 4. This one times this 5. So therefore, I will now finally have this 2a. Now 2a will be equals to, let me subtract, that will be minus half, minus 1 over 2. So I'll divide both side by 2, in order to get my first term. So this is 2 over 1 minus 1 over 2 times, this one will reciprocate 1 over 2. So there's minus here. So therefore, my first term will now finally give me minus 1 over 4. So what it now allows us to look for that, we just look for this for just for exercise sake.